Welcome to China.
Welcome to
Guiyang.
Guiyang.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
There are a lot of activities happening in this amazing place. In this video, we're gonna explore many activities that we do in this place. Tianhe Pool Scenic Area is located at Shiban Town, Huazi District, 24 kilometers to Guiyang City, Guizhou Province. This place is usually open every day at 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m.
You guys, we just arrived. Yeah, we're gonna explore this beautiful place. Basically, it takes us 1 hour 20 minutes to reach here, and the place is like a tourist place outside the city. It is called Tianhe Pool Zone. This place has a lot of things to explore, and the main thing that brings me here is like the waterfall. And this is like a bus that every morning you can take inside the city center to come here, and we're gonna leave in the evening. So we are at the entry. We need to make payment before we can have access to the place. This is my Chinese friend. I was able to convince him to come with me, so we can explore this place together. So we need to go and buy tickets. That's amazing. I just hope this place too should be free. Yeah, it is where we are. Yeah, that should be the entry. And here's the place where you can buy tickets. Yeah, luckily for me, I bring my anyway I'm going with my passport. So it will be easy for me to buy tickets. In case if they ask for passport. Yeah. 阿娘，这个票
要买票就要。对。
这个没问题啊？可以有问题吗？票
要买票，
啊，这个免费。
对，扫码买也 OK。
这个，yeah, we're gonna go to this like two beautiful waterfall. So we just make the payment.
多少门票啊？
哦，谢谢。Yeah, it costs us 120 RMB for 3 people, yeah. And the place is worth it. So let's go together. This is my first time in to see waterfall in China. This is the environment of the place. It's really amazing. Wow. Huh?
看一下，我看一下。
我看一下啊。
Tianhe Scenic Area in Guiyang, in southwest China, Guizhou Province, is known for its karst landform and historical culture, featuring rivers, lakes, mountains, waterfall, and karst cave. Tianhe enjoys its reputation as the birthplace of Guizhou Mountain and Water, located in Shiban, a town in Guiyang's Huazi district. Tianhe town is 24 kilometers from the city's downtown area. It covers more than 15 square kilometers. Ludi River, a tributary of Huazi River, runs through the scenic area, at times underground. The best season to visit Tianhe Tianhe are spring, summer, and autumn. Since 1992, when Tianhe Tourist Resort was established, it has attracted numerous tourists from different provinces and a lot of foreigners like me now, and from across the country. In 2008, Tianhe became a national 4A level tourist resort. The resort provides a wide range of services, including cultural entertainment, catering and shopping, leisure activities, business conference, folk culture experience, and outdoor weddings.
Oh, oh. This side is given like European vibes. Hello. Yeah, it's always we the foreigner only anywhere you go. Yeah. So here we are. We have to show our tickets, and we can have access to the waterfalls. Sure, sure.
那3位往里面走。对，请靠边一点。啊，bro，
Hey, you go. This is the side. Yeah. So we need to hop up on the bus. Oh. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, it's really great. This is given like a European vibes. So now we are going to the side here. Let's explore. I hope you guys are ready. Yeah, here we are. Yeah, so we just arrived. You can see people are coming back from different sightings. And here is like a queue. I don't know what's this queue for. Yeah, so this is the way we're gonna go to the waterfall. Yeah, and these are people that have seen and they wanna go back to the entrance. Yeah, wow, that's amazing. Yeah, even this side you can see a lot of shops. People are selling all kind of fruit. Wow. 哦，觉得很漂亮，
好吃。
好吃，那个回来。这边哦。Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys at the waterfall. Are you guys ready? Here we are. Are you ready? Let me hear you are ready. We are at the location. Yeah. So basically, even here there are a lot of shops. Wow, those Chinese people are doing wonders. It's so amazing. Yeah, charming. Huh? So let's go downstairs. Let me give you guys the tour. Wow. This is like a businesses. Wow. Even in here, businesses are still going on here. Wow, this is like Chinese traditional clothes. Wow, people are coming out from the waterfall side here. Yeah. I have water. And this is the waterfall here. Yay! This is Foreigner, and on today's video, we're gonna explore this amazing waterfall. This is Guiyang City, China. 阿廖，来这里，来这里，来这里。这是我的朋友，Welcome to China.
Welcome to
Guiyang. 哦，不客气。Yes. So this side is a place where people take like a local boat cruise, and the people are taking photos of the waterfall here. So this is like a wonderful experience, and I enjoy the vibes here. So it's really amazing here. Kudos to my Chinese friends who helped me come here because the journey was really far. So I hope you guys enjoy this video here. This is called Tianhe waterfall here. And you can see here the water is circulating with this amazing traditional architecture, which is really amazing. And the water is really clean. Pure water, pure. We call it in Nigeria pure water, yeah. That's amazing, yeah. And the weather and the breeze here is really amazing. Wow!
Tianhe, literally meaning Tianhe Pool, is a perfect combination of mountains, water, and caves. It was formerly called Tianxiang Chiao or Tianshan Bridge because it has a large naturally formed stone bridge. A huge cavern with a diameter of above 50 meters and a depth of 70 meters is beside the bridge. At the bottom of the cavern is a pool of water which is green and deep. That is Tianhe Pool. The scenic area was renamed after the pool.
To China.
At the point of cliff
really
surrounding
this vlog.
Tianhe Pool
is really an indeed
Longtan Cave,
best place
which mainly consists of two Cast Cave, Conlin Cave, and Galaxy Palace. The formation of the Cast Cave was the result of long-time groundwater dissolution in the limestone.
Hey, that's amazing. Tapos.
China.
Yo, now we are going to try is it like a sky? I don't know what do you call it there, but when we go, you will see it. So we're gonna try YouTube now. Yeah, it's like it is scary, but anyway, here we are. Let's go. Yeah, it says watch your steps carefully. So we finally arrived where we're gonna try the sky game. So it shocked me. On top of this hill, there is a place where you can buy drinks with your alipay. China is just amazing. Yeah. This is a place out of city, a forest, a place where people make it as a tourist place. But the amount of feet and steps we climb before we come in to this rooftop, it's really high. But you can find something like this here. That's really amazing. I can find other wonderful things inside. Let's see. Wow. Wow. This is like a small joint where people come and relax and do some minor activities. This is like a bar. There is a bar there. Wow, that's massive. Wow. This is another waterfall.
这个环境就没别的。
That's
排队的嘛，
amazing.
他们得排队。
It's really wonderful, yeah. And this is like a Chinese home. And this is like a bar. Wow. So how it works, the more you shout, the more the water come out, yeah. Yeah.
请问你是外国人吗？
外国人对，
你说中文怎么那么流利？
一点点。
那你是哪国人？
陪酒，
泰国？
陪酒。
妈，20可以到家了。
哦，对。
去喊吧，去喊吧。
哦。Let me try 呀。
喊一下。
你这个 chicken。
往这里，妈妈。那你喊，我不喊，我喊。
Yeah, we need to try. But I feel like when I shout, this hotel will go like this.
妈，你来喊，你来喊。
可以，10块。哇哦！
已经喊到了吗？好了。
干了，谢谢。
等一下。
等一下，要给钱的，
Yeah,
要给钱。
So I'm gonna try yeah. Oh!
慢一点，拉长音。
Yeah, yeah. You can see the water now is so. Let me start by music.
2次，而且我这还是水晶车不用。 在这里面吃东西，
I feel like you can have jobs because everybody has food. That's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. That's massive. Yeah. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know your guys' later. This is Corina. I'll catch you guys in another vlog. Peace out.